Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best keto bread is probably one of the most sought-after products for people following a ketogenic diet, offering a delicious and convenient way to enjoy bread without derailing their progress. This comprehensive review dives deep into the world of keto-friendly, gluten-free bread, exploring various brands, ingredients, taste tests, and nutritional information to help you make an informed decision and find the perfect loaf to satisfy your cravings while staying on track with your keto lifestyle. Number 5. Livlo Keto Biscuit and Bread Mix. Say hello to delicious, guilt-free baking. It's low-carb and gluten-free, perfect for satisfying your biscuit cravings without derailing your diet. With only 2 grams of net carbs per biscuit, it's the perfect keto-friendly treat. Enjoy them as a snack, breakfast, or side dish. No baking expertise needed. Simply add butter and eggs, mix, and bake. It's that easy to make delicious low-carb biscuits. These biscuits deliver the classic buttery flavor you love, without the guilt. Enjoy the taste of traditional biscuits without the extra carbs. Made with almond flour and free of gluten, grains, soy, wheat, peanuts, added sugars, and preservatives. It's non-GMO and perfect for clean eating. Add your own flair. Mix in cheese, herbs, or spices to create unique and delicious variations. The possibilities are endless. We're confident you'll love it. If for any reason you're not satisfied, contact us, and we'll make things right. What we like. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to enjoy delicious keto biscuits, this is the product for you. It's low-carb and gluten-free, making it perfect for those following a ketogenic diet. The simple preparation makes it perfect for even the busiest of individuals. What people say. Amazing keto biscuits. No one will know they are low-carb. Put some jam on it or cut it open and make little breakfast biscuit egg and cheese sliders. It came one day after ordering in perfect condition, and I was pleasantly surprised to see that the biscuit mix wasn't full of a whole bunch of additives or extra ingredients, best yet it was a non-GMO product. After preparing, I was pleasantly surprised by how well they came out. It was extremely soft, moist, buttery, and did not have a weird aftertaste as some keto low-carb products do. It has almost the same taste and texture of a regular biscuit with only 2 g of carbs per serving. I'm so impressed with these biscuits. I added shredded cheese to the mix like the back of the bag suggested. Slathered butter on them once they were out of the oven and wow. Seriously delicious. Me and my husband thought they're nearly as good as a traditional flour biscuit. The preparation was easy too. Number 4. Miss Jones Baking Not Cornbread Mix. It's the delicious and healthy baking mix you've been waiting for. It's low-carb, gluten-free, and naturally sweetened, so you can enjoy guilt-free baking. This mix is perfect for those watching their sugar intake. Enjoy the delicious taste without the guilt of added sugars. Made with almond flour, it's naturally gluten and grain-free. It's a delicious treat for everyone. We've removed gluten, grains, dairy, and sugar, but we promise you won't miss them. It's moist and incredibly delicious. It's keto, paleo, diabetic, Weight Watchers, and Atkins friendly. It fits perfectly into many different lifestyles. Explore our other keto and paleo-friendly mixes and our sugar-free monk fruit sweetener, Bittersweet. We offer amazing, from-scratch taste for all your sugar-free and low-carb baking needs. What we like. If you're craving a delicious, moist treat without added sugar, this is the perfect option. It's gluten-free and suitable for various diets, making it a versatile choice for those with dietary restrictions. The moist texture is a delightful surprise in a low-carb treat. What people say. The flavor, while not really corn, is very good. A corn extract would really go far. Haven't tried adding anything like cheese or jalapenos yet, although that I'm definitely going to try. This mix is diet-friendly, very easy to make. I used eggs and avocado oil, and bakes easy in any 8x8 or 9x9 pan with a little spray to keep from sticking. Been having so much fun playing with this mix. Decided to try adding hot, diced jalapenos, hot, diced green chilies, shredded carrots, and some jalapeno garlic rub seasoning. I really like spicy foods and the hot is entirely up to you. This was made with unsweetened cashew milk, avocado oil, as well as an avocado oil spray in the pan and the 3 eggs noted in the instructions. I'm strict low carb, so everything is LC and lower calorie. I did forget the corn extract, but it isn't necessary. This is awesome. Wow. So much you can do with this, be that sweet, savory, spicy, or just a muffin side dish. Def not cornbread taste, but it has the texture. If added a bit of vanilla and sweetener, it tastes more like cornbread though. Number 3. Keto Pizza Crust Mix. It's time to enjoy pizza again without derailing your keto diet. This amazing mix makes it easy to create a delicious, low-carb crust. With only 1 g net carbs and 0 sugar, it's the perfect guilt-free indulgence. The taste and texture are incredible. Just add water and oil, that's all it takes to make this keto-friendly pizza crust. It's unbelievably easy. This unique recipe doesn't use almond flour, making it a great option for those with allergies or preferences. It's non-GMO too. It's so delicious, the whole family will love it. Enjoy pizza night without compromise. Stay in ketosis while enjoying a satisfying and flavorful pizza. It's the perfect way to enjoy your favorite food. What we like. If you love pizza but are on a keto diet, this crust mix is a game changer. It's incredibly easy to prepare and tastes fantastic, allowing you to enjoy pizza night without derailing your keto goals. It's the perfect solution for satisfying your pizza cravings while staying in ketosis. What people say. Easy to make. Good keto crust. Crust was easy to make. Texture was great, similar to a biscuit. First keto crust I've tried that is not too chewy. Unbelievably tasty. You can adjust consistency to your taste with more water or oil. Been buying this product for almost a year now, no complaints. Number 2. Carbonaut gluten-free bread. We couldn't find a delicious gluten-free, low-carb bread, so we created one. Enjoy sandwiches, snacks, or meals that are both tasty and healthy. It's the first keto and gluten-free bread that's truly delightful. The whole family will love it, whether it's a snack or a full meal. With only 1 g of net carbs per slice, it helps your body stay in fat-burning mode. Enjoy guilt-free keto snacks and meals. You won't believe how good this keto bread tastes. It's incredibly fresh and delicious, unlike any other low-carb option you'll find. It's completely plant-based with no animal products. Enjoy this delicious and healthy bread as part of your keto snacks and meals. It's frozen for freshness and thaws during shipping. Keep and used loaves in the freezer for up to 6 months, or leave one on the counter or in the fridge. What we like. If you're looking for a delicious and convenient gluten-free and vegan bread option that fits your keto lifestyle, this is it. Each slice is low in net carbs, making it perfect for keto snacks or meals. The taste and texture are surprisingly similar to traditional bread, making it a satisfying alternative. What people say. A low-calorie, gluten-free bread is difficult to find. I purchased these and have not been disappointed. I am the only one in my house that is gluten-free. So, I put one loaf in the fridge, and the others, I wrapped in foil and put them in the freezer. It was so nice to have a tuna sandwich and cheese toast. These also make great bread crumbs to use in meatloaf of crab cakes. It's hard to find a good-tasting gluten-free bread and even tougher when you want it low-carb too. This bread actually has a good flavor, consistency and texture and only 1 net carb per slice. This is the freshest gluten-free bread I have found so far. Have only tried the white bread. I keep it frozen and use the slices I need for each day and put the loaf back in the freezer. Number 1. Prolon Fast Bars. These bars offer an exotic blend of coconut and macadamia nuts with a hint of sea salt. Enjoy a delicious treat that won't break your fast. They're low in carbs and sugar, providing sustained energy without the crash. Plus, they're packed with vitamins, fiber, and healthy fats. It's perfect for intermittent fasting, whether it's your morning routine or a late-night snack. They nourish your body while keeping you in a fasting state. Each bar contains 5 to 6 grams of plant-based protein from almonds, pecans, and macadamia nuts. This helps curb hunger without disrupting your fast. These bars are made with high-quality, scientifically backed ingredients. They're designed to nourish your body and promote longevity. What we like. If you're following a ketogenic diet and need a snack that won't break your fast, this bar is perfect. It's keto-friendly, gluten-free, and plant-based, making it a healthy and delicious option. The unique formula helps maintain your fasting state while providing sustained energy. What people say. These bars are good, and they are not too sweet. If you are looking for a fulfilling plant-based protein bar, you may like this one. I do not like a protein bar and all you can taste is the sugar. This bar is the perfect bar that will carry you over until you are ready to eat a meal. I tried the variety pack and have really enjoyed all 3 flavors, nuts honey, chocolate chip and coconut macadamia nut, my favorite. These bars are such an easy and convenient way to extend my intermittent fasting, while still getting healthy ingredients into my diet. These bars are super tasty and satisfying and a great way to start the day without a lot of fillers and unknown ingredients you find in some bars. Nice flavors. Not too chewy, sticky, or nutty. Just right for real ingredients with low glycemic bar. Sustainable energy, with 190 calories per bar, including 14 g of total fats, it provides sustained energy without spiking blood sugar levels, thanks to its low glycemic index. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.